friends. This is Jeremy Brooks with Southern Lifestyle Properties. Our company has recently listed 14.68 acres in Bradford, Tennessee, and I believe it's a beautiful spot to build your dream home in rural Tennessee. Be sure and pay attention to the blue dot on the aerial photo because that is the exact location where I was standing when I shot the next video clip. While I was walking this land, I did notice at least 3 deer stands and a deer feeder. I don't know who owns that white dog, but he nearly gave me a heart attack when he come running behind me at full speed, but he was friendly. I almost forgot to mention that there are no restrictions with this land. It is a blank canvas for you to create whatever you choose. If you want to be the proud owner of this incredible slice of Tennessee, contact me and let's make it happen. Oh, and before you go, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you'll stay in the loop with the listings I decide to showcase. Until next time, this is Jeremy Brooks with Southern Lifestyle Properties signing off. Take care.